Good morning, it's Jeremy here from Red LBP Property Inspections. Today we're looking at rusticated Cedar weatherboards. As you can see, these ones are looking pretty rough. So cedar's a great product, it's very rot resistant naturally, but when you paint it dark colours, this happens. So you can see the boards are very warped. The face of these boards should be flat. So the heat generated on the dark colour cooks the boards. There's very little you can do about this once it's occurred. If you try driving in more fixings, it just splits and cracks the boards. So you can see knots have come out. The end joints are looking pretty rough. And up here we have a fantastic flashing tape repair over where a bathroom duct has been removed. So there's going to be a lot of work required to bring these boards back. All right.